Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a simple curly hair routine that will leave your curls looking hydrated, defined, and frizz-free. If you're new to embracing your natural curls or just looking for an easy routine, this video is for you. So let's get started. The first step in this routine is to make sure your hair is thoroughly wet. Curly hair loves moisture, so grab a spray bottle filled with water and drench your hair section by section. This step is crucial because curls need to be fully hydrated for the products to work their best. Take your time to ensure every strand is soaked. This sets the foundation for applying your products and achieving well-defined curls. I always brush my hair afterwards to get rid of any knots. Once my hair is fully drenched, I then go and apply the My Soda leave-in treatment with avocado and almond oil. This product helps to lock in moisture and prepare curls for styling. I apply this to my hair while it's still damp, starting at the top and working my way down. I use my fingers to distribute the product evenly using the praying hands method. Not only does this step make my curls more manageable, but it also provides the hydration the hair craves. I also like to add the Thanks to Nature Wonder Treatment 8-in-1 Benefit Spray with the My Soda Beach Waves Sea Salt Texture Spray on my hair for an added touch. These sprays enhance the natural texture of my curls and give them a soft and effortless look. I find this combination works wonders for creating volume and adding that perfect beachy vibe. Next, we're moving on to curl cream. This product helps to define your curls and give them a soft, touchable feel. I recommend using the Boss Curl Cream. Take a small amount and scrunch it into your hair, focusing on the areas that need extra definition. The key here is to use enough product to coat your curls without weighing them down. Make sure to work section by section so every curl gets some love. After that, I then go in with mousse. Hair mousse adds volume and helps hold your curl pattern throughout the day. One of my favorites is the Thanks to Nature Root Lift Foam Mousse. I like to shake the can well, then dispense a generous amount into my hands. I start by gently applying mousse to the top of my hair and raking it through all the way down. You can also flip your head upside down and scrunch the mousse into your hair, starting from the ends and working your way up. This step is perfect if you're looking for bouncy, well-defined curls with a bit of extra lift. I continue scrunching all the sections of my hair until I am satisfied with the results. If I am wanting to create extra definition in my curls, I use the Bounce Curl Define brush, and then I section my hair. I take each section and brush outward on every strand, which helps create smooth, well-formed curls. I then gently shake that piece of hair and then scrunch. This technique ensures that my curls are evenly coated with product and gives them a polished, defined look. I repeat this process for the rest of my hair. Now, gel is a must-have for long-lasting hold and frizz control. A great option is the Avilo Juicy Curl Gel. I take a small amount and scrunch it into my curls just like I did with the mousse. If you have trouble with frizz, focus on areas prone to flyaways, like the crown of your head. Not only does this gel smell amazing, but it also helps to lock in all the products that I've used so far, ensuring that my curls stay defined all day long. I again use the Bounce Curl Define brush during this step to refine the shape of my curls. After applying the gel, I brush through each small section outward on each strand to create even more definition and smoothness. This method works wonders for maintaining a neat curl pattern while enhancing volume and texture. Once all the products are in, I then leave my hair to air dry to give it the most natural look. And here is the final results. I am so happy with the way my hair turned out. My curls are soft, bouncy, and full of life with just the right amount of definition. Now the final step is adding some hair oil. I like to use this particular Daily Densifier hair oil from the brand Grow. Hair oils add shine and help to seal in moisture. I take a few drops and gently scrunch the oil into my hair. This step also helps to break the gel cast, leaving my curls soft and touchable. And that's it, a simple curly hair routine that's easy to follow and delivers amazing results. The combination of products and techniques I've used ensures that each curl is smooth, frizz-free, and perfectly shaped. One thing I absolutely love about this routine is how my hair retains its natural volume and texture while looking polished and put together. I hope it helps you achieve the same results. Let me know in the comments if you try this routine and which products are your favorites. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.